Okay, I'm going to make a strip diagram to do halves, thirds, fourths, sixes, and eighths. So since all those numbers are divisible by 24, I'm going to use 24 lines. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. And go all the way to there. So my top one's going to be one hole. My next one, I'm going to cut it in half, so that'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Each one of those would be 1/2. For the next one, we do thirds, so that's going to be 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. That's thirds. Okay, fourths, that's going to be 6. 6 times 4 is 24. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then halfway. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There should be 6 left. That's fourths. Do sixths. It's going to be 4 because 6 times 4 is 24. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Next 4 would be halfway. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. You got 4 left. Each one's 1/6. Okay, my last one's eighths. I'm going to break in 8 equal parts, and that's 3 times 8's 24. So 3, 3, 3, halfway, another 3, 3, and 3, and those are eighths. It's 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, and 8/8. And that's how you make a strip diagram to compare fractions.